Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on NFC on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you want to use your iPhone to read a credit card, debit card, or make payments at a store, NFC is required. First, make sure your device supports this feature. To check this, open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Then go to About. Check your model name, and if you're using an iPhone 13 or later, your phone already has an NFC reader built in. In most cases, you don't need to manually turn NFC on. Simply placing your iPhone near an NFC reader or card should automatically activate it. However, if NFC doesn't activate automatically, you can enable it manually using Apple's Shortcuts app. Swipe to the app library, search for Shortcuts, and open it. This is a default app on all iPhones. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Automation, and on this screen, tap on Plus at the top right. Now, scroll down until you find NFC and choose the option that says When I tap an NFC tag. Here, tap on Scan, and your iPhone will now be ready to read an NFC tag. Once it says Ready to Scan, simply hold your credit card or any NFC-enabled tag near your iPhone. Your phone will instantly detect it, and you'll see a prompt asking you to name the tag, which confirms that the NFC reader is working properly. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn on NFC on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.